Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia at the famous electronics mall, Plaza Low Yat. And oddly enough, there's a DJI store right here. And I went to look at the DJI Action 5s to see if they're cheaper here because of no tariffs. But it's actually like $100 more expensive than in the US. So I think I'll wait for that. But let's see what this electronics store has here and why it's so famous. Let's go take a look. It's my first time coming in here. Okay, so Apple stuff. Yahweh. I want to get thinking about a Yahweh phone, but you know, I don't know. The operating system they made their own operating system now. And is it going to work good in the US? I'm not really sure. $383, not even $100. 7,000. That's like more than $1,500. $899. That's like $200. I tell you, I wouldn't mind getting a Yahweh phone. I had one before that it had Android, but now that they don't, I like the idea of not having Google, but you know, how's that going to work with apps and stuff like that? It seems like it's a bit of a hassle. Xiaomi, on the other hand, I believe they still have Android, right? 49. That's like $140, $150. $130, right? This $449, that's like $100. Redmi 6, $729, that's like less than $200. Shit, I might buy one of these. I gotta do some research before I leave here. This is 2000, so that's like $500. So yeah, I would definitely get a Xiaomi if it's a decent price. They have Android still, and Xiaomi now makes all kinds of stuff, even electric cars. They came out with that electric car that looks like a Porsche Panamera. So they've been around a bit. Asus. Vivo, I keep seeing ads for Vivo all over the place over here. $2,000, so that's like $500. Realme, I've never heard of Realme. So they sell the Action 4, the Action 5 is $17.99. I think that's the same as across the street. So trade in your phone. Nubia, I've never heard of that. So there's some brands here that don't sell in the US, but you know, they're probably pretty decent stuff. More Xiaomi, another store. A lot of camera stuff. Lenovo. So this is like one big electronics store. stuff here. So I don't know. It's a lot of individual stores. A lot of them are selling the same stuff. Hello.
Can I help with anything else?
Not right now, thank you. Repair services here, and I wonder what they charge to replace a battery. So the cables, 99, that's $25. Hello. So a lot of laptops and gaming stuff and computer box. This is the Taj Mahal.
Hello. Hi, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Graphics cards and stuff. Curved screen monitors. These are good prices or not. So guys, that's a look at the Low Yat Electronics Mall. I thought it would be something different, like a lot of cables and small electronic parts and stuff. Instead, it's just like a lot of big electronic department stores, like a Best Buy kind of thing, but anywhere from big ones like the one behind me to little booths where they sell phones and laptops and stuff like that. They also do a lot of repairs, and they also kind of skew towards gaming stuff. So if you want to build some kind of gaming computer, you probably come here, or looking for a good deal on a new phone, like one of the Xiaomi's or something like that. It might be a good idea to come check this place out. So I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.